In this video, let me show you how to use Google Gemini on your Android device. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you download this application onto your device and make sure that you are signed up. Once you download this application, as soon as you open up, if you already have a Google account logged in onto your device, it should already open up like this. Once you're inside of the screen, this is the exact section where you can start chatting or adding in different prompts. Apart from this, if you tap on this plus icon right here, you can see all of the images that you can upload from different sections such as your camera, your gallery, as well as Google Drive. Now what you can also do is use the famous model of ChatGPT where you can use or generate images, which is the Nano Banana model, which lets you generate images. Also, you can switch between different models such as Fast, Thinking, Pro, as well as if you want to upgrade, you can also do so. Apart from this, what you can also try out is use the voice model by tapping on this icon on the right hand side. So you can start chatting without having to type. You can switch between different voices and choose the one that you'd like by tapping on the start option.
You can always change my voice in settings later.
So that's exactly how you use Gemini on your Android device. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.